In the previous tutorial, we have installed R Interpreter. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to install RStudio, over which we will be doing our further work and learning in this course. So, to install RStudio, you just need to go to your web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. You can use any of the browser you want, right? So, here over the Google search for RStudio download. Here there is a website posit.co, right? You need to go here. If you scroll down, you will see RStudio desktop. Here just click on the download RStudio button. If you scroll a bit under this section RStudio desktop, here you will see install RStudio. Click on download RStudio desktop for Windows. So it will start your installation, right? If you haven't installed R Interpreter, then your RStudio will not work. So just make sure that you have installed R Interpreter. So to install R Interpreter, I have already recorded a video previously. So you under the playlist, you can just check the very first video where we have installed R Interpreter. So it will take a few minutes to few seconds varying on your internet speed. So let's wait for its installation to its download to be completed. See, this installation is done, right? So we will be going to our this downloads folder where it is downloaded. Just we will double click here. This will install the latest release, stable release. Click on yes to make the changes here. Here just it is showing the steps and guide. Click on next. This is the destination folder where your RStudio will get downloaded. You can change it, but it's already recommended to use the default folder path. Click on install. It will extract the files that are required for RStudio setup, right? It will take some time to be done. I'm repeating again, if you haven't installed R Interpreter yet, so just install it. Using you can take help from my previous video in this playlist, right? So that you can work on RStudio. If you want to see some progress, what all the files it is extracting, you can click on show details button and it will show you the progress here, right? See, your setup is done. Just click on finish button. Now your RStudio is installed. Under your search programs, here you can search for your RStudio, right? This is the one. You can just open it. This is the RGUI, right? Now go here back, RStudio. You can just press enter or click on this open button. It will get opened. Now let's get it opened. See, this is how it looks like. Now I will explain the interface of this RStudio and how to work with R programming language in next video. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to this playlist so that you won't